Be careful. I don't think it's ready to come off. Yeah. So that's not only our concern, or our only concern, I should say. Let me show you. All of that's been coming off these high tunnels and making a huge bang. I can't get back there, guys, but you can see huge chunks of ice have been falling off these high tunnels, and so we hadn't been able to let the dogs out because we were afraid it was going to fall off and hit one of them. And this is what has come off the little high tunnel. You can hear this stuff crashing in the house, and it sounds like a car hitting something. Look at that. Still very cold. It's 33 degrees, and we've been holding steady at 33 for a couple of hours, so things are starting to melt, but not as quick as I'd like to see them. But I tell you what, that's a testament to this inflated roof, this Gothic style inflated roof on these high tunnels. They were holding tons of ice, and we didn't really see any kind of indentation. And the high tunnels, believe it or not, have been staying at about 34 through this. Now, it might have been, that ice might have been insulating it somewhat. The driveway's still treacherous, and it's right at noon, guys. I'm hoping this melts off more, but you can see there's going to be a lot of water, so it's going to be really hard for us to get out of our driveway if we need to. And I'm starting to see some of the trees blow in the wind. I'm afraid some of them might break because they do have ice on them, you can see. And we did lose power, but not for very long, thank the Lord. Our other neighbors, I've been reading, have lost it for several hours. Ours was a very short-lived. I'm very, very thankful for that. But you can see the sky still look ominous. We're expecting more rain. But honestly, I'm really concerned that this ain't going to be gone by tomorrow. I don't know if you can see that, but there is ice on those power lines. That's how thick that was. Pretty thick, guys. Oh my goodness.